Where is that tap-tap noise coming from, Neşe?
I don't know. I think it's coming from outside.
Oh, do you girls hear that tap-tap-tapping noise as well?
Yes, we hear it. It sounds like a typewriter.
So this definitely has to be Mutlu.
But he's not in his room. We checked there.
Let's look for him together. The typewriter was in the garage, so let's look there.
The noise is coming from over there.
Oh, what happened here?
There! The noise of the typewriter is coming from the caravan.
Oh, look! Something is written on the door, too.
Dandy journalist Mutlu. My talented son is both reading now and even writing. Oh, look at him go. He's become a real journalist.
The first article of my newspaper is done. I need to go to the ocean and take an x-ray of a shark. Pictures are very important in the news world. There's gotta be some news in its belly for sure. Oh, Father! Welcome, guys!
Why, thank you, Mutlu. I said it all wrong. Dandy journalist Mutlu, am I right? What are you doing here, huh?
I'm printing a newspaper, Dad. It's strictly for you. The pages of it will be smaller, and you'll be able to easily read it. And it'll also have the latest news in it as well.
Come on and hand it over. Why is it only for me, though? Maybe others will want to read it as well.
But I can only write one page at a time, though.
Okay, you prepare everything then, and we'll make copies of it at my office so everyone can read it.
That's perfect! I need to leave now. Dandy journalist Mutlu is on duty 24/7.
Did Mutlu say that he would go to the ocean to take an x-ray of a shark to find some news in
I
it?
think he said that.
Mutlu! Mutlu!
Where on earth did he go?
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside